Okay, you won't believe this. I found the perfect countertop RO. I have been looking for probably 5 to 7 years. We have had clients who live in high rises. We have people who want their kids to go to college and drink more clean water. We have people who live in apartments and they're moving from one place to another. We got people who just like, I don't think I'm gonna be here for that long, right? So I don't really wanna invest in something that goes under the sink. So finally, AquaTru is manufacturing a countertop RO for Angel Water. That's this one right here. PureAssure is the product that's gonna, countertop is gonna work fabulously for you. It meets almost all the criteria that you know that I love. So as you guys might remember, I love to talk about NSF certification. I love to talk about the product being BPA free. I love to talk about how it's made in America. You know, so these things are really important to me. Now, this one does 2 of the 3. It's certified. So what we know is that it has been certified to remove the scary contaminants like vinyl hexavalent chromium 6, vinyl chloride. It's a true reverse osmosis system that's going to make the water. I'm going to demo it for you in 2 seconds. So that's fantastic. And we know it's BPA free. Why? Because they're using a glass bottle versus a plastic bottle to hold the water in. So it's like, I'm like, I couldn't be any more happy. So I'm going to demo it for you right now. So first of all, we've ran the system through water. You have to do it, I think, 4 times. So you take your water, flush the filters 4 times, then you can go ahead and make some water. So we went ahead and made some water. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that into our glass right here. And so this is going to be our purified water. And again, we've taken our tap water, which is right here. This is cold water, just like our reverse osmosis systems that you've seen under the sink. And I'm gonna actually fill that cup up. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you, in order to see how good the water is, we're gonna use a TDS meter. Again, we're gonna start with the tap water, which ours at our facility is really high. Most people are around 230, 280, but in our location, unfortunately, it's extremely high. So let's just see what that says. As we get it up there, we're now at 1,865, 1,000. So we're over 1,000 parts per million in our water, which is ridiculously high. Now, the RO, typical reverse osmosis, takes out 90% of the TDS. Let's see what we got with the PureAssure. We're at 60. We're at 60. We're way above 90% reduction. So that shows you that this is a system that is going to be worth every penny that you spend. So if you have any questions, if you're looking, you got a kid that's at college, if you're a renter, if you are, in California and you want to get something from Angel Water, if you're in Florida and you want something, this is a great countertop unit, again, for those that are renting an apartment, that live in a high rise. Oh my God, I have so many people that are buying cases of water and they hate carrying it. They want to be environmentally friendly. Heck, if you are a business in Chicago or in New York or in LA, in Houston, and you're in a high rise building and you're like, I don't want to buy plastic water bottles for my customers, here's your unit. It's small, it's not that big. You can see that it's not going to take up too much counter space, and all you need to do is fill it up, and it's going to actually take the water, and I'll show it to you here on the side. As it purifies the water, takes the water out, purifies it, and then puts wastewater back. That's why they say fill it up once, purify the water, then take the wastewater and dump it down the drain. So you can see this is what ended up happening. We are looking forward to you guys utilizing this, make your families more healthy. If you have anything that you need, you can always comment below, or you can always reach out to me, because I'm Drew. I'm here to serve you.